What's going on, guys? My name is Jacob Ritz, and today we're going to be making soft pretzels. The first step is to add 2 cups of warm water into a bowl. Second step is to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the same bowl, and we're going to stir. Now we're going to wait 10 minutes for the yeast to activate. Welcome back, guys. After 10 minutes, you can see that the yeast is finally starting to bubble a little bit. So now we're going to be moving on to our next steps. Our next step is to add 5 cups of bread flour to the bowl. Alright, now that that's finished, we're going to be moving on to putting 2 teaspoons of kosher salt into the bowl. Alright, now we're going to be using our mixer with the dough hook attachment. Now that the mixing bowl is locked in, we can turn on the mixer and put it on low. You'll continue this for 5 minutes. Now that the dough is done mixing, we can take the bowl off the mixer. Now we're going to take this dough and we're going to put it into this bowl right here where I've already put cooking spray in. Might stick to your fingers a little bit. That's okay. Alright, now you're going to take a piece of saran wrap and we're going to place it over top of the bowl. Now we're going to wait 1 hour for the dough to rise. Alright, as you can see, dough has risen. So now it's time to take it out and separate it into 12 equal parts. Alright, so now we're taking each of the 12 pieces and making them into small balls. Alright, as you can see, some dough balls are bigger than other dough balls, so we're going to need to make it so they're even. Alright, now that we have them all even, I forgot to mention that I'd be floured the board so that way the rolls wouldn't stick. Now we're going to move all these back onto this mat over here. Alright, now we're going to take each of these dough balls and roll them into a log shape. Then we're going to let them rest because they're not ready to be turned into pretzels yet. Now that we have all the pretzels shaped in the log, we're going to try and get them in the shape similar to this one. And once again, we're using a flour surface so it doesn't stick. Along the logs, we're going to fold them something like this. Alright, now we have a pretzel. Now that the 12 pretzels are complete, now we're going to be taking and making the poaching liquid. Poaching liquid consists of 2 quarts of hot water. That did not happen. 2 tablespoons to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. still haven't come out yet. And 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Now we're going to stir. Alright, now we're going to bring this water to boiling. Okay, now that the poaching water is boiling, we're going to be taking 3 pretzels for 30 seconds apiece and placing them in the poaching water. We're going to take them out, and we're going to place this on this parchment paper right here. Okay. Oh no! After 30 seconds is up, we're going to take each of the pretzels out. Alright. Okay, we have one final step before we put them in the oven. We're going to paint the top of each pretzel with 1 whisked egg. Okay. Finally, this step is optional, but you can sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on top of the pretzels. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to put each of these 2 trays of pretzels into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. Now the pretzels are golden brown, we're going to take them out of the oven. There's the final product.